Filipino home cooking is a cultural cornerstone, deeply rooted in family and tradition. The kitchen, often the busiest part of the home, is where generations gather to prepare meals. Wooden utensils, clay stoves, and fresh ingredients symbolize the warmth and simplicity of Filipino life. Dishes like adobo are not just food, but a reflection of shared history and love. Adobo, the Philippines' unofficial national dish, is a vinegar-based preservation method dating back centuries. Its tangy, savory flavor comes from soy sauce, vinegar, garlic, and bay leaves. Historically, this dish allowed Filipinos to store meat without refrigeration, making it a staple in every household. The slow simmering process melds flavors, creating a dish that's both practical and deeply flavorful. Filipino cuisine is a melting pot of Spanish and Chinese influences. The Spanish introduced vinegar and garlic, while Chinese traders brought soy sauce. These ingredients merged with local traditions, giving birth to adobo. This fusion reflects the Philippines' rich history of trade and colonization, creating a cuisine that's uniquely Filipino yet globally influenced. Across the Philippines, adobo takes on unique regional twists. Adobong puti, white adobo, omits soy sauce, relying on vinegar and salt. In contrast, adobo sagata enriches the dish with coconut milk. These variations highlight the diversity of Filipino cuisine, where local ingredients and traditions shape each family's recipe, making adobo a dish with countless interpretations. Vinegar is a cornerstone of Filipino cuisine, acting as a preservative and flavor enhancer. Made from sugarcane, coconut, or palm, it's used in dishes like kinilaw, ceviche, and adobo. Its acidity balances rich flavors and extends shelf life, a practical solution in tropical climates. This ingredient embodies the resourcefulness and ingenuity of Filipino cooking traditions. Filipino meals are a communal experience, often served Kamayan style, eaten with hands on banana leaves. Dishes like adobo, grilled meats, and rice are shared, symbolizing unity and generosity. This tradition, rooted in pre-colonial times, continues to bring families together, turning every meal into a celebration of culture and connection. Filipino cooking celebrates locally sourced ingredients. Free-range chickens, fresh vegetables, and coconut trees are staples in rural farms, providing the foundation for dishes like adobo. This farm-to-table approach ensures freshness and sustainability, reflecting a deep connection to the land and a respect for nature's bounty. The Bahay kuba, a traditional bamboo and nipa hut, is the heart of Filipino rural life. Its open design and outdoor kitchen foster a connection to nature. Here, adobo is cooked over wood fires, infusing the dish with smokiness. This architecture reflects the simplicity and resilience of Filipino culture, where home and cooking are inseparable. Filipino cooking is a ritual passed down through generations. Grandmothers teach grandchildren the art of simmering adobo, ensuring traditions endure. These moments are more than recipes. They're lessons in patience, love, and cultural pride. The slow cooking process mirrors the value placed on family and heritage, making every dish a labor of love. No Filipino festival is complete without adobo. Fiestas feature lavish spreads of lechon, adobo, and other delicacies, symbolizing abundance and joy. These celebrations, rooted in religious and cultural traditions, showcase the communal spirit of Filipino hospitality, where food is a gift to be shared with all. In modern Filipino cities, adobo gets creative makeovers. Street vendors serve adobo flakes on rice or as siopa steamed bun fillings, blending tradition with convenience. These adaptations reflect the dynamic nature of Filipino cuisine, where classic flavors meet urban innovation, ensuring adobo remains relevant in fast-paced lives. Wherever Filipinos go, adobo travels with them. Overseas families recreate the dish to stay connected to their roots, introducing it to global palates. This culinary ambassador represents Filipino resilience and pride, proving that food can bridge distances and preserve cultural identity across generations and borders. Chefs are reimagining adobo with gourmet twists, deconstructed presentations, exotic ingredients, or molecular gastronomy techniques. Yet the soul of the dish remains unchanged. These innovations honor tradition while pushing boundaries, proving adobo's versatility and timeless appeal in the global culinary scene. Efforts to document and preserve Filipino recipes, like adobo, are growing. Cookbooks, documentaries, and culinary schools highlight these traditions, ensuring they're not lost to time. By celebrating these dishes, Filipinos safeguard their heritage, passing on not just recipes, but stories, values, and a sense of identity to future generations. Adobo is more than a dish, it's a symbol of Filipino identity. Its simplicity, adaptability, and rich history mirror the resilience and creativity of the Filipino people. From humble home kitchens to global stages, adobo tells a story of culture, family, and the enduring power of food to connect us all.